Konnichiwa. Welcome back to our Japanese language learning series with animation. In today's lesson, we will learn 5 new words that will help you in your everyday conversations. Let's get started. Our first word for today is すみません. すみません. This word is used when you want to get someone's attention, apologize, or ask for assistance. すみません、電車の時間を教えていただけますか? It's a very useful word to know in Japanese. The second word is おはよう. おはよう. It means good morning. おはよう、今日も頑張りましょう. Remember to use this word to start your day on a positive note. Our third word is こんばんは. こんばんは. Which means good evening. こんばんは. こんばんは、今日は美しい夜ですね. You can use this phrase to greet someone when you meet them in the evening or to say goodbye before the night ends. The fourth word is お願いします. It means please. お願いします. You can use it when making a request or asking for someone's help. すみません、お水をお願いします. Remember, using polite language is important in Japanese culture. The last word for today is 名前. 名前. It means name. It's a fundamental word in any language. はじめまして、私の名前は桜です. Now let's review what we have learned today. すみません. すみません. おはよう. おはよう. こんばんは. こんばんは. お願いします。お願いします。名前。名前。Great job! You've learned 5 new words today. Practice using them in your daily conversations to reinforce your learning. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep up the great work and continue expanding your Japanese vocabulary.